Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to change your display name on Snapchat. Whether you want to update your name to something new or just want to correct a typo, I'll guide you through these steps. Now let's get started. First of all, open your Snapchat app. Make sure that you have already logged in. Then tap on Bitmoji or profile icon on your top left corner. This will open your profile. Now you can see gear icon or setting icon on your top right corner. Tap on it. This will open your settings. In the settings menu, you can see name as your first option. Tap on it. And here you will see your display name. Tap on remove name. Now again tap on name and fill the display name that you want. Make it as fun, as creative and as unique you are. Then tap on save. And that's it, you have successfully changed the display name on Snapchat. And here's a bonus tip: if you want to make your display name unique or fun, try adding emojis or using a nickname. Just remember to keep it something your friends will recognize. And that's all. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in next video.